Hello everyone, welcome to Thursday's practice. Today we are going to do Ashtanga Vinyasa.
I started my practice with Sun Salutation A. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up, half fold. Exhale, step back. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga. We are taking knee supported Chaturangas here. Upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Adjust yourself here. Avoid using your palms to adjust yourself. Set yourself in downward facing dog and take 5 deep breaths. Look down, gaze towards your navel. Bend your knees, step forward, forward fold, arms up, hands to heart. I'm going to do 5 rounds of Sun Salutation A today. So this is my second round. This version of Ashtanga Vinyasa is beginner friendly. That's why we are stepping back and forward, and we're also taking knee supported Chaturangas. 5 deep breaths in downward facing dog. Move to round 3. Ashtanga Vinyasa is a very good way to get sweaty early in the morning. It's very good for weight loss, very good for your overall body workout. Breathwork is very important in Ashtanga Vinyasa. The inhales and exhales have to come at the right time. It supports your body in moving through the asanas very, very easily. 5 deep breaths in downward facing dog. I move to Sun Salutation B now. I'm going to be taking 3 rounds of Sun Salutation B. It starts with chair pose. A lot of it is similar to Sun Salutation A, but we do have Warrior 1 pose in between, which makes it different. Right foot steps forward, come up to Warrior 1. Balance is key in this pose. Going back to our Chaturanga. Upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Left foot steps forward. Notice how my back foot pivots out and in every time I'm going in and out of Warrior 1. Very important to note that. That is what gives you the much needed balance when you are in Warrior 1. We'll now hold downward facing dog for 5 deep breaths. We'll end the pose in chair pose, round 2. We'll increase the pace of our rounds slightly as we move into our practice. We'll do it slightly faster, yet making sure that we're not skipping any pose. Ashtanga Vinyasa is a very nice way to get your morning started. 5 rounds of Sun Salutation A and 3 rounds of Sun Salutation B barely takes 10 to 15 minutes. After my last round, I'm going to show you how I ended the session and how I worked with my spine to make sure I'm giving it the much needed rest after the strenuous practice. So this is my last round of Sun Salutation B. Sun salutations are also a great way to build strength. If you want to get started on the strength journey, then it works all the muscles and also works on your bone strength. Coming to the end of Sun Salutation B, Done for the practice. I took some back rolls, bend both my knees to chest, and I rock back and forth to massage my spine a little bit, and then side to side. Ashtanga Vinyasa requires a lot of back movement, be it upward facing dog, downward facing dog, forward folds. So, very important to massage the spine at the end of the practice before we finally get down to Shavasana. Take your feet to the corners of the mat, hands by your side, close your eyes, ground yourself nicely, and prepare yourself for Shavasana. Bring your awareness to your breath. Shavasana hits really differently after Ashtanga Vinyasa because you really get the much needed break that you were looking for throughout the practice. Work with your breathing, try to slow your exhales. Inhale a chunk of air and then slowly exhale everything out through your mouth. Remember to take your time with the Shavasana, and every time you want to get out of it, turn to your left, use your arms as support, and get back up. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.